I made a little mistake with the weather. As you can see, it's not good. A lot of clouds, it's raining a bit. That was expected for this time of year. However, they said it would not be raining today. My plan was to have a coffee here, but they're renovating, so that's not happening. So now I'm gonna follow this river all the way to the next city, which is Dinant. So now we're in Namur. Stunning view. And we're gonna have a try to get coffee there. We'll see. I'm in the wrong city, so gotta find my hotel. So I think it should be down this road, just a little bit further. I'm hoping so, because it's getting late. So it's now around 8:30. I made it to the hotel. It was a very long day. I think more than 530 kilometers. Hotel is really good. It's one person room, really small, cheap, good food, very nice people here. I was a bit late, but they didn't mind. They offered me food. For tomorrow, everything's settled, so that's good. So for now, I'm gonna call it a day. I'm a bit tired, and tomorrow will be a quite long day. I think not more than 350 kilometers if my GPS works, because that's kind of a problem today. There's a line on the map, but it doesn't really track me, so it's just reading a map in a digital format. When I tried to look for the hotel, I couldn't put in the address, so yeah, I had to just look at the map, go to roughly direction, which was south today, and then just follow the names on the plates near the road, and eventually we got there. But yeah, the GPS is not really working with me, the weather neither, but still it's a good trip, and I'm looking forward for the rest of the day. So yeah, see you tomorrow.